Welcome to the online math class. You know that previous day we have done up to question number 21 of exercise number 7.4. Today we will solve from question number 22. So what is the problem? Integration x plus 3 by x square minus 2x minus 5 dx. Okay, now put here z equals to x square minus 2x minus 5. So after doing the differential, it will be dz equals to 2x minus 2 within the bracket, then dx. Okay, so we have to make here in the form of 2x minus 2 is the numerator. So here we will take 1 by 2, then integration, it will be the numerator becomes 2x plus 6, then x square minus 2x minus 5 dx as it was, you know that. Then you have to make it in the form of 2x minus 2. So it will be 1 by 2 integration 2x minus 2, then it will be 6 plus 2 8 divided by x square minus 2x minus 5 dx. That means 1 by 2 integration 2x minus 2 by x square minus 2x minus 5 dx plus 8 by 2, that means 4 integration dx by x square minus 2x minus 5 dx. So now the putting is for the first integral. Mention it here for first integral. Now we will erase the first two lines. That means it will be 1 by 2 integration 2x minus 2 dx. That means it will be dz. So dz by z plus 4 into integration dx by x square minus 2x minus 5. That means x square minus 2x minus x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 6. So that means it will be x minus 1 whole square minus root 6 whole square. That means the x square minus 2x minus 5 equals to x minus 1 whole square minus root 6 whole square in the standard form. Now after doing the integration, it will be half dz by z. That means half log of mod z plus 4, the formula of dx by x minus 1 whole square minus root 6 whole square. That means it will be 1 by 2 root 6, then log of mod x minus 1 minus root 6 by x minus 1 plus root 6, mod completed, plus c. Okay, now just put the value of z here. That means 1 by 2 log of mod x square minus 2x minus 5 plus, that is 2 by root 6 log mod x minus 1 minus root 6 by x minus 1 plus root 6, mod completed, plus c. So that is our question number 22. You also do it in your copy. Okay. So now move on to the next one, question number 23. Question number 23, that is integration 5x plus 3 by root over x square plus 4x plus 10 dx. Here we will put z square equals to x square plus 4x plus 10. So after doing the differential, it will be 2z dz equals to 2x plus 4 then dx. Now dividing both sides by 2, we get z dz equals to x plus 2 dx. Okay. Now here taking 5 common, it will be x plus 3 by 5 by root over x square plus 4x plus 10 dx. Then again 5 integration, it will be x plus 2. We have to make the numerator in the form of x plus 2 dx, x plus 2, then plus 3 by 5 minus 2 divided by root over x square plus 4x plus 10 dx. Okay. Now I am erasing the first two lines. It will give you 5 integration x plus 2 by x square plus 4x plus 10 dx. The first portion I am breaking this one into two integrals. Now second part 3 by 5 minus 2, that means minus 7 by 5 into 5. So minus 7 into integration dx by root over x square plus 4x plus 10. So these are the two portions. Now obviously the putting is for the first integral. For the first integral. So the first integral becomes 5 integration. It will be z dz by root over z square means z, and the second portion minus 7 integration dx by root over x square plus 4x plus 10. That means it will be x plus 2 whole square plus root 6 whole square. Okay. Here z will be cancelled out. I am erasing the first line. Then it will be 5z minus 7 log. The formula will be mod x plus 2 plus root over x plus 2 whole square plus c. Mod completed, then plus c. Now just put the value of z here. So 5 root over x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 log mod x plus 2 plus root over x plus 2 whole square plus 6 mod completed plus c. So this is the final line. You get the final result. You do it in your copy and check it out. You just do it in your copy. So this is our question number 23. Now the last two problems are the MCQs 24 and 25. You also guess the answer. Do it in your copy and tell me the answer. Type it out here. 24. Question number 24. Question number 24. That is integration dx by root over, sorry, there is no root over in the question, dx by x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay, you guess the answer also. So that will be dx by integration dx by x square plus 2x plus 2 means we can write it x plus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square. Why? X square plus 2x plus 1, that is x plus 1 whole square plus 1 means 1 whole square. So that is tan inverse simply x plus 1 plus c. So that is our option number B. Yes, all of you are correct. Thank you for giving the correct answer. Now Move on to question last one, the question number 25. The last one. Question number 25. That is integration dx by root over 9x minus 4x square. Okay. Also guess the answer. Type the answer. So first of all, make it into two squares. 9x minus 4x square means taking minus common, it will be 4x square minus 9x. Then minus of 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 9 by 4, then plus 9 by 4 whole square plus 9 by 4 whole square minus 9 by 4 whole square. Second bracket completed. That means it will be 9 by 4 whole square minus 2x minus 9 by 4 whole square. Minus will be included again, and then it will be 9 by 4 whole square minus 2x minus 9 by 4 whole square. Okay. So it will be integration dx by root over 9 by 4 whole square minus 2x minus 9 by 4 whole square. I am erasing this portion. Now put it here. Z equals to 2x minus 9 by 4. That means dz equals to 2 dx. That means 1 by 2 dz equals to dx. So it will be 1 by 2 integration dz by root over 9 by 4 whole square minus z square. 1 by 2, then integration dz by root over 9 by 4 whole square minus z square. That means it will be 1 by 2 sine inverse z by 9 by 4 plus c. Okay. I am erasing the first two lines. That is 1 by 2 sine inverse 4z by 9 plus c. Okay. Now just put the value of z and you will get the desired result. That means 1 by 2 sine inverse 4z means 8x minus 9, and then obviously divided by 9 plus c. So which one is the correct answer? 1 by 2 sine inverse 8x minus 9 by 9 plus c. The correct answer is B. Yes, all of you are correct. You have given the correct answer. The correct answer is B. And with that, our exercise number 7.4 is completed. Any queries, guys? Do you have any queries? No queries? Okay. Thank you, all of you. So that's all for today. We will be back again here with the new class, and we will start exercise number 7.5. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.